Hey friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Guys, today we are going to learn how to count cells that are greater than a particular number or a specified number given by you. So without wasting any time, let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So at first I'm going to run the Microsoft Excel software obviously, and then I will run the OSK, that means on-screen keyboard. Guys, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from basic level. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So I have created a file previously. Here it is. Suppose you have a data file like this and you need to count the cells that are greater than some particular number. Here I have chosen the number 25 and we will count that cells that are greater than 25 in the points row. To count the number of cells that have values greater than a particular number, you can use the COUNTIF function. In this generic form of this formula, range represents a range of cells that contain numbers. In my case, the range will be C4 colon C9. That means from C4 to C9. And N represents the thresholds above which you want to count. So you have to type the formula like this: equals to COUNTIF, COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, then give the range. In my case, I have already told C4 to C9. Let's select it with cursor. Here it is, C4 to C9. Then put a comma here, then open the double quotation, then here use the greater than symbol. The symbol is this one, not this one. The symbol is this one. Okay friends, keep it in your mind. We have to use the greater symbol. Greater 25. I have chosen the number 25. Then close the double quotation and close the bracket, then simply hit the enter. So in my case, the number greater than 25 is 3. So it has been given the accurate result. Here it is, 30 is greater than 25, 40 is greater than 25, and 50 is greater than 25 also. So what you will do when you have to also count the number 25, then you have to simply use the formula like this: equals to COUNTIF, then open the bracket, select the range, put a comma here, open double quote. Here first give the greater than symbol, then use equals to symbol, then give your criteria here. Then close the double quotation, close the bracket, and simply hit the enter button. Here it is friend. Now you have the result including the criteria 25. So let's see how this formula actually works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the range that contain numeric values greater than n, in my case that is 25, and returns the result as a number. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. I'll come back soon with the next part of this formula. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.